Have there been any particular projects that have really stood out to you over the years? Like maybe one where you work particularly closely with the Sungrow team?
There really has been so many projects that we've worked closely with the Sungrow team on, and it's hard to just think of one. But one that does come top of mind is our land lease community project with Stocklands, one of the largest land developers in the country. And what we're doing there specifically is installing a large solar system across an embedded network. So over 4 developments with 300 homes, they all have a Sungrow solar system, and getting them to all work and talk to each other as one system has been a really big challenge. But we really leaned on the Sungrow engineering team there to design a system that was going to work brilliantly and deliver great results for the community.
And how is this kind of collaboration different from working with other brands?
I would say it's really the human element behind Sungrow. There is just some really fantastic people working within the company at all levels. And that's really important when our company is interacting with Sungrow to work through some of those challenging projects that need that real engineering expertise. Our team are working hand in hand with each other, and it's delivering great results.
I've actually heard that there's a Venergy grandma theory. It caught my ear. Can you tell us what that really means?
Yes, the grandma theory at Venergy. It's something that's instilled into all of our employees that work at Venergy. What it really means is when you're trying to make a decision for a customer on an install, you think about your family and the right decision you'd make for them. So if you wouldn't install it for your grandma, you won't install it for a Venergy customer.
So it's like you're thinking of your customers as your family.